In today's video, we're going to be learning how to fix the zipper of a shoulder bag, and this is so simple to do. So if this is what you're interested to learn how to do, please stay tuned and watch till the end. Thank you. Now, I already cut these parts out. This is the front, the back, the side, and the linings. We're going to be using this now to sew a bag. So let's get right into it. So with this now, I have for the width 10 inches, and for the depth of this bag I have 6 inches, and this side is about 7 inches. Alright, I already made a video on how to cut a shoulder bag as simple as this. In this video we're going to be learning how to fix the zipper, but I'll still show you how I made this bag. Okay, so now I want to cut out the handle. Of course I'll be using up to 19 inches, but you can vary with whatever length you want. Okay, now this is where the work begins. I'll be placing this zipper like this. Okay, this zipper is the back zipper. Okay, I'll be placing it this way. Okay, and then I'll use my lining and place on it. I'll make sure that I place it very well, make the lining to the fabric. You can see the way it is. So when I flip it over, it should be neatly done. Please just watch me. I placed the zipper on top of the fabric, then place the lining on top of the zipper. Now I'm going to go ahead and pin these quickly now so you see how it looks. And I'll quickly run my thread just this way, and then you see how it looks once you are done with one side. Okay, this is how it comes out. I'll quickly sew on it so I can show you. All right, then before then I'll be placing the second one this way. Okay, I'll place the fabric first. Ensure that you are placing the fabric the same place that you placed the other one at first, so that it will match. All right, especially if you're sewing this type of bag. All right, so I'll be placing my lining under the zipper. All right, and then I will still pin all the way down. Please ensure that you harmonize the fabrics. Okay, and this is pretty much all. So I'll quickly take this to my machine now and stitch it up, and then show you also how to double stitch, that's top stitch on this zipper that we just fixed with this pins. Now this is it. I already top stitched on it. Okay, and the zipper is already fixed. You can see how simple it is to fix the zipper. All right, now I'll just additionally show you how I'm going to fix the rest of this bag. Okay, I'll just go ahead and then join the lining. These are the sides. Please, for a very simple dissection on how to make a bag, all right, I have a video on my YouTube channel. Okay, please, I'll kindly leave this link on my description box. Okay, so that you can check out the video on how to draft and cut out a shoulder purse. And this is so simple to do. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly go ahead and subscribe now and turn on your notification bell, so every time I upload a video you'll be notified. So this is the way to fix a zipper. I'm just trying to sew the rest of the bag as simple as that. Just stitching them. I'll be stitching the sides. All right, stitching the sides this way. Okay, very simply all the way down, and then I'll do the same thing for the other side as well. I'll go ahead and fix the handle, the straps of this bag after doing this. That's after I've already also attached the lining, and then that's pretty much all. So now I went ahead to pin up the fabric to fabric, the sides of the fabric to fabric, and just like I am pinning for this fabric to fabric, I'm going to be doing the same thing for the lining as well. So I'm going to be pinning up also the long side of this lining. All right, I'll just be pinning this side that I'm pinning now is the sides of this bag. All right, so I'm just doing this quickly. So after pinning the lining and the sides, okay, I will ensure that my strap or my handle is put in place, so that as I'm pinning and I'm sewing the other side, I will be also sew stitching on my strap, especially if you want to attach your straps this way. Okay, so ensure that you do this right. So for my strap, I just used 19 inches or about 20 inches. Okay, you can go in with what you want. So I just want to put in my strap after my zipper. Okay, I'll put it in so that when I'm sewing the sides, I will also sew in the strap. Okay, I will ensure that I put it in such a way that it will reach to the point where I can easily sew on it. Okay, now after doing this to this side, I'll do it to the other side as well. This side is still open, so let me just go ahead and then sew on this. So here now I'll just run my stitch at this point. Okay, this is my strap, just tightening it here. It's very simple, and then I'll still do the same thing for the other side. All right, so right now I just run my stitch round. Okay, and then I also ran on the other side. I went ahead to also stitch up my lining as well, the sides of my lining. And of course, don't forget that I'll be leaving a small space at this point where I can turn it out. So I just left about 2 inches width. You can even use as much as 3 inches, the one that you can turn out the bag from. And then you can see the way I also stitched on this strap area. All right, so it comes out very neat. And then I did the same thing for this other side as well. Okay, now I'll be cutting the rest of this zipper out, but I want to ensure that the head of the zipper comes out, the two of them. All right, it's that simple. So I'm quickly turning this out. All right, it's very simple. After turning this out, this is how it looks. You can see that you can even make this in a very short while, and everything is set. Once you put it out, the zipper is ready, the bag is ready, and that's so simple to do. So please try this out if you haven't. And I'll be cutting out the zipper, the excess part of the zipper, and then I will zip up my bag. And the other side that is open, this side, I will just stitch on it, or I can even use iron in it, because I already put a hemming gum. So whatever you choose to do that will make the bag to come out neatly, you can do. So you can see my bag, it has 2 zippers and it's neatly fixed, and this is so simple to do. So thank you for watching up to this point. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.